Let's talk about why does it matter? So,
Right.
you know, but we know higher number is better,
Yeah.
but what does it affect in your
Right.
everyday life?
Yeah, so that's another big thing. You're like, why do I care? Like, it's a score; it means nothing to me. But it should, you know. For one, like I said, it determines your credit worthiness in general. So it could be the difference between an approval and a denial, right? So of course, that is something we pride ourselves on. We don't just look at a number, but not everybody is us, right? So others might have an automated system where it just looks at the score and that's it, right? They don't look at the bigger picture. They don't have that conversation and really get to know what's going on. So if it's somewhere like that, your score could be it's over right there, right? So if they're looking at your credit report and you're like, okay, they're not risky at all. They've never missed a late pay. They've had this type of loans, you know, for years. I give them a low interest rate because I'm probably going to get paid back, right? Now, if we see we've had some charge-offs, some repos, maybe some late pays, maybe now I'm getting more to like 70% chance I get my money back, then we're going to give a higher interest rate to help justify what might kind of be, you know, a little bit riskier of a loan. Just to kind of put things in perspective, if you know we're both looking at the same car, we both have a drive out of 25,000, but say your rate is 4.9 because you have, you know, excellent credit, and mine might be a little more rocky, and I'm at a 10.9. We're looking at monthly payment about a $75 difference. So already off the bat, you're paying $75 less than me every month. Over a 5-year loan, that could be about $4,500 in interest more. Same car, same loan amount, but I'm paying more every month because I'm giving, you know, the lender $4,500 more at the end of that loan for them letting me borrow it because it was a little riskier to lend to me, you know? That and other things that you might not think about. You know, if you go to open up your first and your own cell phone and you don't think it's about credit, they pull that type stuff. You know, insurance companies pull that. If you're trying to rent an apartment, they pull that. So a lot of things that you might not even realize is a credit score matters or your credit worthiness. It does, even though it's not necessarily a loan being given to you. So again, just overall in life, it's a huge thing. You know, every American should take pride in that score, right? That's way of no one even knowing you, but they pull it and okay, we can make something work here. You know, they're trustworthy, you know, so definitely something you should care about.